What's up, guys? It's Hollywoodsquimc, and today I'm here with my little daughter. What's your name?
Jamaican.
Okay, and we're gonna do a video. Today I'm gonna do a video with Jamaican about teaching her how to speak Jamaican language. And Jamaican know quite a few things already, but we're gonna do a few things, and I want to see exactly how she says them. All right, so let's start with lock off the TV and go to your bed.
Lock up the TV and go to bed.
You ever hear that before? Anybody ever told you that before? No? So you just watch TV anytime you want. Alright, the next one I want you to say is white squall a bite you.
What?
White squall a bite you.
What squall bite?
You know what that means?
No.
That means that you're hungry. It means that you're hungry. White squall a bite you. You never heard that before? No? Okay. Alright, that's so funny, guys. Trust me. The next one more I say is me neck back.
My neck back.
Say it again.
My neck back.
You know what that means? That's like when something happens and you're in shock. So Jamaican people, old time Jamaican people, they be like, me neck back, or them say kiss me neck back, or you know, something like that. So that's what that means. The next one I want you to say, oh senior.
I will send ya.
Say it again.
I will send ya.
You know what that means? That means who sent you here. So Jamaican people be like, oh senior, right? They be like, oh senior. Alright, the next one I want you to say is, I want to go shop and go buy cream.
I want to go shop and buy cream.
You know what that means? That means you want to go to the ice cream parlor to buy ice cream. But you don't like ice cream, right? No. Jamaica eats very healthy, guys. She eats a lot of vegetables and stuff like that. Right? Okay. Well, she's a healthy little girl. She's a good kid also. I love her a lot, trust me. Alright, more here say this. More bread and butter.
I want bread and butter.
Oh, you know that one very well, right? Why? Why you know that one very well? You love bread and butter, right? Yes, sometimes. Okay. But yeah, sweet a lot though. Bread and butter, white bread and butter. Yeah. Alright, the next one more I have to say is if you can't catch Kappa, you catch him short.
If you can't catch Chopper, you catch him short.
If you can't catch Kappa, you catch him short.
If you can't catch Chopper, you cut it.
You know what that means? If you can't catch somebody, you catch the closest person next to them. Alright, more I say, I want you to say the thing up later.
The thing up later.
You know what that means? You don't know what that means? That means that later everything is gonna be nice. So Jamaicans be like, the thing up, man, the thing up later, you know? Alright. What are some Jamaican slangs that you know? Tell me something that you know. That you hear me say all the time. So you say Jano Star sometime, right? Well, you know what that means? Jano Star is like, oh my God, I can't bother. This is too much. So like American people be like, oh my God, man. But we be like, Jano Star. So that's a way of saying, oh my God. You know what I said? That's funny. That's good. That's one thing she always says. Jano Star. She know that very well. The next one more I said. The next one I want you to say. Nobody send up my pressure. Nobody send up my pressure.
Nobody send up my pressure. Nobody send up my pressure.
No, me pressure.
Me pressure.
Me pressure.
Me pressure.
So nobody send up my pressure. vibe, but it's me pressure. That mean like don't stress me out today. Don't stress me out today. That's what that means. The next one I want you to say is keep by your mouth. How you getting all the long ones, but that's so simple and you can't say it. Keep by your mouth.
Keep by your mouth.
You know what that means? Stop talking. That means stop talking. The next one I want you to say is who ya chat to?
Who ya chat to?
Oh God, you can say that very well. You know what that means? I bet you know what that means. You know what that means? Say it again and say it again and then try to figure it out. Let's see if she could get this one, guys. You know what that means? Say it again.
Who ya chat to?
What do you think that means? Who are you talking to? Alright. The next one I want you to say is go sit down and take up a book and stop bother me.
Go sit down and take up a book and stop bother me.
You ever hear that before? You never hear that before? Oh really? Someone never tell you that before? You never tell you to take a book and read a book? Eh? When I say to you go read a book and stop bother me. But you're getting it very good. The next one I want you to say is
Daddy, just say it.
you want me box you down?
You want my boxer down?
You ever hear that before? You never hear that before? That's good. That means say I do something good. That's why I never hear that before. That mean, you know what that means? You want me to smack you. Alright. Yeah, but this is another one I want you to say. I want you to say, what sweet nanny goat, I go run in belly.
What sweet nanny got under the running belly?
What sweet nanny goat, I go run in belly.
What sweet nanny goat and
You know what's a nanny goat? Eh?
sweet nanny got a running belly.
You know, sit down, don't get up, sit down. You know what's nanny goat? Nanny goat is like goat, you know the animal goat? You don't know what a goat is? Bah, bah, that's a goat, right? So nanny goat is like a kid, basically. Nanny goat is a goat, so them say, well sweet nanny goat, I got run in belly. That means if anything that keep you laughing and stuff like that, I got eventually hurting you. Alright. Now, this one now, I know say I hear this before. Because sometimes, you know like finish your food and you like get up and walk around. No matter what I say to you. Finish your food before you get up and start walk around. Right? I said that to you before? Finish your food before you get up and start walk around, right? Huh? You ever hear me say that to you? You never hear me say that to you? Yes. Why you being shy? Alright. So say, finish near me food before you get up and start walk around.
Finish your food and get.
Finish near me food.
Finish name your food
Before you get up.
before you get up and walk around.
Alright. So what that mean? What does that mean?
Finish your food.
Okay. Alright, the next one I want to say now is nobody take no liberty on me today, no.
Nobody take no liberty to.
Say it calmly. Nobody take no liberty on me today, no.
Nobody take liberty to me, you know.
Alright. Alright, what's one thing in Jamaican your mother always say? Your mother always say one thing in Jamaican. You don't know? No? What she always say? Boy, I'm tired. I'm just tired. You know what that means? Yeah, exactly. That one is easy. Well, guys, that's it for the video. I think Jemiah did pretty good. What do you think? You think you did good? You don't think you did good with saying some of the words? Yeah, because you know some of the words, right?
But none
why would you say that? You say that to somebody? Little boy no wanna come back here? Well, you know what that means? What does that mean?
Come back here.
No, that means, hey boy, don't come over here or don't come back this way. That's what that means. But guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. And yes, my favorite thing to say is Jano Star. Alright, G's and peace. That's my favorite thing to say sometimes when we get stressed out and things like that. But I think Jemiah did very good today. Sometimes she's talking and the Jamaican come out in her. And yeah, you know, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. What else should they do? Subscribe, right?
Subscribe to my daddy's channel.
Alright, and you're gonna be seeing me and Jemiah a lot more, right, Jemiah? Because Jemiah said that she wants to do videos with me, right? So eventually get used to seeing us, because here, guess what? We're gonna be here and we're gonna be dropping a lot of videos onto this channel and making this channel very fun for everyone to watch. Alright? So tell them, later for you.
Later for you.
Alright, boom guys, that's it. You know what I mean? See you later. Later for you.
Later for you.
Alright.
A whining time, every girl want join. So when the DJ say go there, just come get in line. A whining time, every girl want join. So when the DJ say go there, just come get in line. Me baby behind a pee, clap clap, pee, clap clap. Who that behind you? Knock knock. Who that behind you? Me baby behind a pee.